Let's kick things off with a little backstory. Cardano was launched in 2017 by Charles Hoskinson, a co-founder of Ethereum. But unlike Ethereum, Cardano didn't dive straight into the deep end. Instead, it took a methodical approach, built on peer-reviewed research and scientific principles. Think of Cardano as that student who spends hours perfecting every detail of their homework. Its endgame: to become a decentralized platform that can handle anything: smart contracts, decentralized apps, and even governance. On the flip side, XRP isn't about waiting around. It's about action. Created in 2012, XRP set out to disrupt traditional finance by enabling near-instant cross-border payments. Think about it. Sending money internationally often feels like mailing a check through a 19th-century post office. XRP changes that, making payments as fast and easy as sending a text. Oh, and banks love it, for good reason. While Cardano is building its ecosystem piece by piece, XRP is already working with over 200 financial institutions worldwide. But there's a twist. XRP's journey has been anything but smooth, thanks to a legal battle with the SEC. All right, let's talk strengths. Cardano is like a Swiss Army knife for the blockchain world. Its proof-of-stake consensus model is not only energy efficient but also highly secure. Unlike proof-of-work systems like Bitcoin and Ethereum, at least Ethereum before the merge, Cardano's design drastically reduces energy consumption. That makes it a favorite among environmentally conscious investors. Plus, Cardano's focus on interoperability and scalability positions it as a blockchain ready to support millions of users without breaking a sweat. But that's not all. Cardano's secret sauce is its layered architecture. One layer handles transactions, while another is dedicated to smart contracts. This separation ensures smoother performance and better security. It's like having a highway with separate lanes for cars and bikes. No collisions, just efficiency. Now, XRP comes in guns blazing with its speed. Imagine transferring money from New York to Tokyo in 3 to 5 seconds. That's XRP for you. It's tailor-made for the fast-paced world of international finance. And while Cardano is working on adoption, XRP already has boots on the ground, collaborating with governments and banks across the globe. It's the crypto equivalent of a seasoned business executive who knows how to close deals. But here's the fun part. While Cardano is busy perfecting its blueprint, XRP is already hosting the party, with lights, music, and guests lining up at the door. Cardano might argue that slow and steady wins the race, but XRP is already popping the champagne. So, the question is, do you want to bet on the meticulous planner or the fearless party starter who's already making noise? Now, before you grab your wallet and go all in on either crypto, let's talk risks. Because in the world of crypto, the road to success is paved with volatility and uncertainty. For Cardano, the challenge lies in its pace. Sure, slow and steady can win the race, but what if the race is over before you even cross the halfway mark? Competitors like Ethereum and Solana aren't waiting around, and Cardano's carefully calculated steps could cost it valuable time in the adoption race. Plus, while its peer-reviewed approach is impressive, it's also untested on a large scale. The question remains, can Cardano live up to its lofty promises when the pressure is on? And then there's XRP. While its speed and low fees make it a favorite in the finance world, the looming shadow of its legal battle with the SEC is impossible to ignore. Will Ripple emerge victorious and push XRP into mainstream adoption? Or will regulatory hurdles put the brakes on its momentum? Not to mention its centralization concerns and reliance on banking partnerships could alienate crypto purists who value decentralization above all else. So, what's the verdict? Cardano is the careful architect, building a blockchain empire brick by brick, stable, secure, but slow. XRP, on the other hand, is the bold disruptor, racing ahead in the financial world, but constantly dodging regulatory hurdles. The choice isn't just about which crypto will dominate, it's about which vision for the future of blockchain resonates with you. Do you value precision and sustainability or speed and adoption? Either way, 2025 is shaping up to be a defining year for both.